Well, we'll get as far as we get. All right, we're at Horse Meadow. I'm not sure if that's the right name of it, but I think that's it, where the little buildings are. Gone about, what, 1.25 miles? So, trail's still clear. Looks like we're gonna hit snow soon. We are getting some snow on the north-facing slopes. All right, there's the peak of Gorgonio over there, entering the San Gorgonio Wilderness at Poopout Hill. There it is, dry lake. Pretty sure that's it. All right, we can see up to the summit now. All right, gonna snowshoe up, see if that helps with all this post holing. Well, we're at 10,300 feet or so. I think we're going to call it at this point. It's too late in the day. We didn't really give ourselves enough time for this. But 7 miles, and we started at under 7,000 feet and got up to 10,300. So we did 3,400 vertical feet or something. So pretty fun day anyway. Good hiking. And just don't think we have time to get up and get back down to the car in any reasonable amount of time. Well, that is faster on the way down, isn't it? See, we did some vertical. Try a little ice arrest practice here. Getting shady in the north side of the mountain. Here's the trail split to go to either Dry Lake or Dollar Lake, which we completely missed on the way up. Here's a view of our hike route. We started down here at South Fork Trail, came up this way to Dry Lake, and then headed up towards the summit of San Gorgonio here. Here we are looking southeast in the direction of travel. There's Jenks Lake down here, the South Fork Trailhead. South Fork Trail heading up this way, Dry Lake, and then where we headed up into here. So there's the parking lot. There's Horse Meadow, and the snow started pretty significantly about here. This is Poopout Hill and the beginning of the San Gorgonio Wilderness. We continued on across the snow, and the trail goes up onto this hill on the side here, but it was covered in snow, and so we just went straight up the gully this way up to Dry Lake, and then we followed this natural low point here up this way and got up into here. We could see these rocks up here when we stopped. We must have been somewhere around, around this open area here. And so we were another 1,200 vertical feet from the summit, but given the late time of the day, we were just out for a good hike anyway. We didn't have any requirement to make it to the summit, but would have gone up here and then across to the summit and back. Then just the same thing on the way back out.